Ryanair 8188, request push start.
Ryanair 8188, start up pushback approved facing east, QNH 1022.
Stop route facing east 1022, Ryanair 8188. Ryanair 8188, request taxi.
Ryanair 8188, text holding point runway 12, take first left via Mike.
That's confirm runway 12, we're able Charlie for Ryanair 8188.
Roger, in that case, via Mike or straight ahead, whichever is more convenient to Charlie.
Mike, all straight ahead to Charlie, Ryanair 8188.
Dobar dan, Zulu 3 Delta, Zulu Lima Zulu Tango Lima Uniform, poleteo sa Vojke prema Papi na 1000 fita po 1022.
Dobar dan, Lima Zulu Tango Lima Uniform, Beograd, Toranj, odobreno putem i prugom prema Papa, javite Papa 1000 fita.
Ok, prema Papi 1000 fita, javit ću Papu.
Ryanair 8188, we'll make a left turn now to stay full length.
Roger, no problem, via Mike, take first left.
I first left Ryanair 188.
Lima Lima Uniform, skok 5036.
036, dolazim.
Correct.
Ryanair 8188, fully ready.
Ryanair 8188, runway 12, clear for takeoff, wind 320 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear takeoff, Ryanair 8188.
Lima Zulu Tango Lima Uniform, Papa 1000 fita.
Lima Lima Uniform, odobreno preko staze ka Sierra, javite Sierra 1000 fita.
Edu slobodno preko piste prema Sierra, javit ću Sierra.
Ryanair 8188, contact Beograd radar 133.1, have a nice flight, goodbye.
331, thanks for looking out and hopefully we talk to you again soon. Alright, bye bye.
Hopefully too, sir, goodbye.